Hi guys, and welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making these cool witch finger cookies. And here are the items that will be needed for this recipe: blanched almonds, egg, powdered sugar, flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, almond extract, butter, green coloring, and red writing gel. And here I'm just going to get my butter added to my mixer and powdered sugar, and we're going to get that mixed up. After getting that mixed up good, we're going to get some of our ingredients added: vanilla extract, almond extract, your egg. And now here I'm just scraping down my bowl. Continue to mix, adding your baking powder, your salt. And here I'm just going to add in my green food coloring. I did about 12 drops here, but later you'll see me add 2 more, so about 14, 15. And just continue to give that a mix and get that green food color mixed in well. And now it's time to add in my flour. Just add a little bit at a time until you get it all incorporated. Just give my bowl another scrape down to make sure that all that flour is well incorporated. Just laying down some Glad wrap, and then we're going to get my cookie dough added to that Glad wrap, and we're going to get it all wrapped up and refrigerated for 30 minutes. And now that my cookie dough has been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, I'm going to get it out. We're going to start getting those cookies rolled. And here I'm just using a cookie scoop to measure out my cookie dough. It's about 1 inch. Roll your cookie dough out. And then we're going to take our finger and we're going to do 2 indentions for the knuckles. And then we're going to use a toothpick to make crinkles in it. Here's a better view exactly what I did to the cookies. Now we can add our blanched almond to the tip of the cookie for our fingernail. And just shake the cookie dough around the almond to make it look like where the skin comes in contact with the nail. And here I'm just continuing to roll out my cookie dough and get it into my pan for baking. And here they are, guys, ready to go in my oven to bake. Bake at 325 for 25 minutes. And this is how they look when they come out. Look at that, creepy, scary. And now we're just gonna get this red writing gel added to the tips of the finger under the almond, just to kind of make it look like blood is oozing out of the nail. Very creepy and very cool. This is what the final cookies look like, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Happy Halloween.